Hello and welcome back. We're taking a look at Voyager. Let's get out of this real fast. Minimize this bad boy. And get over to their website. I went ahead and grabbed the Voyager 23.04 Plus because it comes with some bells and whistles on it. It has ChatGPT and Wiki. What do they call it? Just Wiki. So basically, yeah, you can use ChatGPT with it and search the Wiki database. Yeah, not much to go on beyond that. I mean, it looks cool. The only downside is it's got that Tracker FS program in there for file system indexing. I had to double check to see what that was because I've never seen it pop up before. And it slows down my system like you wouldn't believe. You look up here, I got 92% in my memory with running the VM. So I'm going to close out that. That drops it down to 82. I'm going to open this back up, and hopefully that speeds things back up a little bit. All right, it is the Gnome desktop environment. It's based off Ubuntu 2303. And Voyager, I believe that's a ChatGPT. And one other thing is if you try this in the live environment in a VM, you're gonna have to wait a while. They went with the compressed file system on there, which I wouldn't have done. Basically, they wanted to conserve space on the ISO so they can put more into it. But if you don't have a really super fast system, and I don't, it takes a while for it to load up and uncompress everything. It took over 30 minutes to install it. So I would have gotten rid of some of all the games that they have pre-installed on there and just did it regularly. Okay. New chat. On that. Tell me a story about Santa was in the genre of comedy and how let's see, he is. What? I guess you only can do like basics with it. Give me a good that's not his full title. Title for a Linux distro review on Voyager Linux. Well, that's pretty simplified. Hello? How are... It's supposed to be a stripped down version, by the way. PCB designer. Well, you're in luck. I am a PCB designer. I'm really not. Tell me about wow, this is really this is a 3.5 GPT based off of that. These are really basic responses. Apparently this is the only version that he's gonna have this in, or excuse me, they're gonna have this in. If you go to their website, he goes in, well, they go into a long spiel about concerns on ChatGPT, and I agreed with everything that they had on there. But if you're going to put it in your system, you could be the gateway, the gatekeepers to how that is used, if you wanted to. And I think this is their way of being the gatekeepers to that. Because, let's go ChatGPT 2. What about Linux? What was the first thing you wrote when you were... Huh? Tell me about Linux Future. What was the first thing you wrote when you were an 18-year-old? We didn't know if we were going to do well in a university, a major junior year, and I was on the board. Huh? What the preferences do. This is the first Linux distribution I've run with ChatGPT in it. Ooh, it's got ChatGPT 4 on there. Oh man, I got a whole bunch of stuff in there. OpenAI GPT 3.5 Turbo. Let's do that one. Dalio GPT, a state-of-the-art, large-scale, pre-trained response generation model. BlenderBot, an open domain chatbot. Ooh, excuse me. AI Horde. Ugh, that doesn't sound. Okay. Let's go ChatGPT 4. Tell me about the Linux kernel. Oh, my AP key is invalid. Okay. Try that. Oh, I can't copy. Oh, I can't copy. Okay. API keys invalid. Ah! I already copied it. Your API keys and oh, it's responding. Nothing. Okay, let's go back to the other one. Okay, I guess you need API keys for most of these. But if you got them, use them. Okay, let's try the wiki. Okay. Down at the bottom, look at other areas of Wikipedia. Community portal, village pump, site news, tea house, help desk, reference desk, and content portals. Ask research questions about encyclopedia document. No, you think you can do a video and it's quiet, and then all hell breaks loose. Everybody starts coming around. Sorry about that noise. Reference desk. Ask research questions about encyclopedia topics. Alright, let's try that. Showing results of the history of the kernel Linux development. New results found for the history of the Linux kernel development. Archives Computing, December 2012. What is the original Linux OS? What such is the original Linux OS? 13.2. Operating history of Linux. When first announced, Linux included the kernel, the bash shell, GCC, C compiler, linuxx.org. Yeah. Pretty nifty. This is the best thing about this distribution, is what sets us apart from all the hundreds of other Ubuntu distributions out there. It runs a little slow in the VM, slower than I like, slower than I'm used to. So let's take a look at the apps. Okay, BleachBit. Okay. KeyPass, XC, LibreOffice, Bullet, Document Scanner, Rhythmbox, Music, Good Vibes, Internet Radio, Videos, MPV video players. Got two of them then. Hitivai is a video editor. Got Pulse Effects. Now you can click on this to get it to move, or you can scroll it with your mouse, the wheel on your mouse. Okay, we got Maps. GNU, got GIMP. Gotwell. That is a screen grabber. LibreOffice. Thunderbird for your mail. Pigeon for your chat client. Cheese. Software updates. GW package installer. Additional drivers. Settings. System monitor. Startup applications. Anything on the startup. Bluemine app. Conky control. Gnome and CFS manager. Yeah, that's the thing right there. VMware user agent. Zappos and okay. Click on that. Holy mackerel, that's taking a long time. Oh, Okay. Is it gonna load? Not gonna load what? I don't think it's gonna load. Okay, well. OS uninstaller, boot repair, startup disk creator, terminal, and tilde. It's got 2 of those. Word of advice you might want to, and this is a new distribution. Get rid of the doubles in all the video games and you'd be able to get rid of that high compression ratio. Or at least some of it. Power statistics. These are all games, I believe. I installed HShot myself. Okay, we get the calendar. That's cool. We've got 3 ways to access your menu, or 2 ways. You click on this to get your search and your desktops. Yeah, I mean, it looks really good. Push the terminal. This is really slow in the VM. Okay, let's get out of this. Desktop switcher. Night mode, net speed, screencast. I must be using Wayland. Voyager wallpapers. Let's try this one. Not too bad. Got some cool looking wallpapers though. They're all dressed up on a leisurely run underneath an overpass. Find devices of developers. Cut back on your wallpapers too. Offer this as an extra pack. I would say space on your ISO. Whoa, there's a lot of wallpapers in here. This keeps going and going and going. Let's do this one. There we go. Latest wallpapers, Explorer wallpapers, Voyager wallpapers. There's a lot of wallpapers in there. Chunky control. Space. Huh. Clunky management. Settings. System info. Interesting way of doing this. Oh, it's unique. I kind of like that. Well, I already installed Neofetch. Okay, what do we got here? We have Voyager 23.04 plus x86-64 in the virtual box. Kernel number 6.2.0-39 generic. 2,654 packages, 9 flat packs. Bash 5.2.15. Resolution is 1280 by 800, which is not true. At 920 by 1080. That's a VM reporting thing. Gnome 44.3. Window Manager's Monitor. Adwata. Yarrow Blue GTK 2 and 3. Cora GTK 2 and 3. Gnome Terminal. Intel i5 2400. 2 cores. 3.9.2 gigahertz. GPU, VMware, blah, 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 using 1.027 megabytes out of 4 megabytes. Excuse me, gigabytes. All right, what is this? Search clipboard history. There's a calendar. Backup. Wired, power mode, balance, night. With the dark style. Nothing's happening. Okay, what do we got here? Network. Appearance. Dark mode is completely not working. Oh, there it goes. Took a second. Caught me off guard because how slow it's going. Oh yeah, that's better. Oh yeah. Looking really good now. At the dock panel, mode, icon size, go on. Position on screen, configure dock behavior. Include network volumes, include unmounted volumes. In the trash. Enhanced tiling, tile groups. Notifications. Search. Mateo? Oh, it's for weather. Oh, we're not actually going to go into that sort of one. There's a lot of programs installed here too. Privacy, activity checking, screen lock, Application services, which is off. File history. Diagnostics. Okay. Online accounts. Usual suspects. Sharing. Which I don't have any of this in there yet. Found. Power. Balanced. Play. See, it's 1920 by 1080, 6.9 ratio, and NeoFetch is reporting with 1280. Mouse and pad. For gestures. Traditional. Okay. Keyboard. Printers. Removable media. Color. Not calibrated. Accessibility. Region. Users. Firefox for the web browser. Thunderbird Mail. Calendars. Text editor. This is a French distribution, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that or not. Video, so not all of it's translating through visionary images. So that would be GTUM. I think. I think it's GTUM. Waiting time. And about. Anatech GmbH VirtualBox. 4 gigs, Intel 2, graphics, that's standard one disk capacity, 53, Voyager 23.04 plus, OS type 64-bit, no version not available. Windows system, Wayland. Virtualization, Oracle, kernel version 6.2.0-39 generic, and software update. Okay. My overall thoughts on this. It looks really good. I like what he's done. I like the icon set. The conky. See-through glass. Too many wallpapers, and I would probably cut down on the games and I would just not even install the games. Cut back on the wallpapers. I like this though. I like the way they have it set up default. It's pretty cool looking. Well, that's my 2 cents on this one. It's Ubuntu based off the 23.04 version. I will leave the link below to their website in case you want to try it out and download it. But until then, until next time. Having trouble talking again. Until next time, I'll see you then.